Kids, hope you're well. So, I hope everyone's been enjoying the little videos I've been doing. Here's another song that I want us to learn over the next 2 to 3 weeks really. I'll be putting more stuff on as I go along, so here we go. This is a song that I wrote for ukulele clubs about a year or two ago, and it's called Watch the Birds. So let me run through it and then I'm going to teach you. It's lovely. So here we go. It goes like this. Watch the birds as they fly away, going south on a holiday. They're gonna get themselves some sun. Watch the birds as they fly away, going south on a holiday. They're gonna have a lot of fun. I don't mind if you don't mind, come with me, let's fly away, oh yeah. We're going now where the sun is high, so pack your bags and wave goodbye, oh yeah. Watch the birds as they fly away, going south on a holiday. They're gonna get themselves some sun. So there we go, that is the song, and that's what we are going to learn today. So make sure your ukulele is all tuned up. We've got G, C, E, A. Really important that you use one of these little tuners here, which will help tune it up. So what we've got in the verse is an F chord, which you probably already know. So you put your finger there. So this is on the first fret, isn't it? Put a second finger here. You press down really nice and hard. Hook your fingers, remember, bent knuckles. If you're finding that you're not getting a good sound, it's probably because you're not pressing down hard enough. And if you haven't been playing that much, then that's going to be tricky, so you need to put that practice in. So that's our F. Then what you do is we go to a chord called a D7. Oh, not a D7, sorry, my fault, a G7. So watch this, really easy. You keep this one where it is. You move this one down to here, then you put this one here like this. You see that? So it's like that. One finger there, one finger there. Then you move this one down, so now it's like that. Then you put your third finger on the second fret as well. So you've got 2 on the second fret. It's a bit like a sandwich chord, or what I call them, where you've got bread, bread, and this one in between. It sounds like this. So that's quite a nice change. I think you should try that. Let's try that now. So everyone get on their F. And after 3, we'll strum that. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to move our second finger down. Put our third finger there. If you find it hard to put that third finger there, you feel, move your elbow out and it kind of moves the hand round. 2, 3, 4. Hear that nice ring? If you get that, it's not pressing down hard enough, kids. Remember, thumb needs to be in the middle, pressing down, have the tunnel. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you play that kind of round quite a few times. So what you've got is this. If I just go through the structure of the song, at the end you're actually going to go to a C as well, which is nice and easy. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Check that out. So that's how you play it. I don't think that's actually that tricky. So let me do it with the words. So, watch the birds as they fly away, going south on a holiday. that is the structure of the verse. It's quite easy, isn't it? So it's F 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. G7 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. F 1, 2, 3, 4. G7 1, 2, 3, 4. F 1, 2, 3, 4. G7 1, 2, 3, 4. C 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So F to G7. And you're doing 4 strums on each. And then you do F to G7, 4 strums on each. So F4, G7, 4. And then you do F to G7 3 times round. So it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1 round. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 3 rounds. And then to our C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's try it again. See if you can play along. I'm going to give you 2 chunky seconds in between your changes to help. And just remember, kids, that what's really good about these videos is you can rewind them back. So if you get stuck in this, go, okay, rewind it back, or get your parents to help you rewind it back, start it again. Really important that you take the time on this. You're not going to get it first time, but you're going to get there. So here we go. After 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the F. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you've done 2 rounds of that. Back to the 3rd round. F. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the G7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then slide the 3rd finger across your C 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that slightly faster for you. Here we go. After 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to do it with the words. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Watch the birds as they change. Fly away. Back to the F. Going south on a G7 holiday. Back to the F. They're going to G7. Get themselves some C 8 times. Some. And now, one more time round at the proper speed. You don't have to go along with this, kids. Just take your time and you'll get there. So here we go. 2 after 3. 1, 2, 3. Watch the birds as they fly away. Going south on a holiday. They go to get themselves some sun. Sorry, I burped slightly then. Again, round. Watch the birds as they fly away. Going south on a holiday. They're going to get themselves some fun. So try that, kids. Try and work on those changes. So it's F 4 times to G7 4 times. 3 rounds of that. So F 4 times, G7 4 times. F 4 times, G7 4 times, F 4 times, G7 4 times, C 8 times. Work through that, and then when you're ready, you can go on to doing the chorus video, which I will do now. Okay, kids, so don't move on to the chorus until you're good at the verse. It's really important to get that sorted. So here we go. So this is the lovely little kind of chorus bit you do. don't mind if you don't mind. Come with me, let's fly away. Oh yeah. We're going now where the sun is high. So pack your bags and wave goodbye. Oh yeah. So this is what you do. You are going to be playing the 7th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the bottom string. So you play the 7th fret all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it sounds like this, you're not pressing down hard enough, kids. Remember, you got to have some tough fingers. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2nd fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. F 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you go round again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So not that hard actually. So you're going down from 7 to 5, 3 to 2. So 4 strums on the 7th, which has got a dot, so that helps. 4 strums on the 5th. 4 strums on the 3rd. 4 strums on the 2nd. Then you go to your F and you do 8 strums. Then you do 7 strums on your 4 strums on your 7th fret, 4 on the 5th, 4 on the 3rd, 4 on the 2nd. Then, a bit of tricky, you've got to get to your G7. So I would go from that to that to that. Also, like those. So the change for that would be you're there, jump to there. Okay? So let's try that together as a group. So get ready on the 7th fret. So after 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the only tricky bit I think is going from is the second round where you've got down to here and you've got to change to the G7. So just remember, a bit like the F as well, you're here, you've done all this, and the first time round you go to the F, don't you? So bounce that finger up to the string above, but on the 1st fret, so you're going like diagonally. Then you've got your F. So you go da 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 da, change to there and there. Second time, ba da 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 da, change again to there, and then you've got to, instead of putting your finger here on the F, you put it down one to make, and then that one there to make the G7. So here we go. Let's do it together from the start. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we go with the words. I don't mind if you don't mind. Come with me, let's fly away. Oh yeah. We're going now where the sun is high. Pack your bags and wave goodbye. Oh yeah. So that is the chorus for the song. So yeah, have a good go at that, and then now I'm going to play the whole song together, and hopefully this will be loads to learn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch the birds as they fly away, going south on a holiday. They're going to get themselves some sun. Watch the birds as they fly away, going south on a holiday. They're going to have themselves some fun. I don't mind if you don't mind. Come with me, let's fly away, oh yeah. We're going now where the sun is high. Pack your bags and wave goodbye, oh yeah. Watch the birds as they fly away, going south on a holiday. They're going to get themselves some sun. So I hope you enjoy that, kids. I hope that will really help you just to keep you inspired on the ukulele. And don't forget, practicing every day is really good, or every other day. And I'll keep putting videos on until we meet again, probably in September. So hope everyone's enjoying the nice weather we can have at times, and look after yourselves.